We're going to explore the classroom calendar technology. So when we go into the system, into the classroom management system, there's three different areas we need to be aware of. The first one is the instructor management system, second one is the classroom management system, and third is the course management system here. Once all three are populated, it gives you the ability to simply drop and drag a course onto a calendar, identify the instructor, and identify the classroom you're going to use, and make it available on your website. That now becomes a training event. So I'm going to show you each of the three areas quickly. So when you go into the instructor management system, it'll show you a list of all the instructors you have in the system. You can click on each instructor to identify some of their contact information up here, the courses that they've taught in the last 6 months, a list of courses that they're able to teach as identified in the system, and a copy of their resume. In the classroom system, you can list as many classrooms as you want, including the address, postal code, and city and province. You can even link it to Google so it can display an interactive map from Google right on the invite to that classroom course. You can identify the classroom size, capacity, also the available equipment like smartboards, tablets, or whiteboards. You can have special notes that go to the instructors that identify things like muster points or emergency exits, and you can even have notes that go straight to the students, maybe parking instructions or classroom directions, such as this classroom is found on the second floor. In each of the classroom courses, you can have details on each of the course. So you can identify the course name, a description of the course, an image to represent the course on your calendar, a promotional video that can be played, and there's also additional tools like dedicated instructions that go out to the students, like prerequisites or identification is required. You also have notes to the instructors to remind them to bring workbooks or training equipment. You have a list of the instructors that are able to teach this course. You can also link online courses to classroom courses in this system to create blended training. You can identify the min and max enrollments. This will allow for waitlisting, and it'll also allow for cancellations. So if you say, I need at least 5 students to teach this course, you can identify this, and the system will automatically email you if there's less than 5 students registered a few days before the course. You can upload certificates directly to the course, and it'll automatically create a certificate of completion every time a student successfully completes the course. And it can include the course name, the student's name, the date, the expiry date, the background certificate image, and logos. You can also put in the schedule if it's a 2-day course or a 5-day course. You can schedule forms to be sent out before the course starts, when the course starts, or after the course is successfully completed, and you can have these forms sent to the student or the instructor or both. You can identify prerequisites, so if there's any prerequisites that need to be attained before this course, and you can turn on a feature that requires the prerequisite be met before the course starts, or the student will be removed automatically. All of this is all available in the classroom tool, and once all three are populated, you simply drag and drop your courses on the events, on the dates that you want to run the events, and then you populate them with the details. Once you have an event set up, you can go into it and you can upload participants with a spreadsheet. You can add them manually. They can register through your website, so they would go to a website link that would show all available courses in a glance on their calendar, so that they can go to any one course, click on the course details, see the picture, the description, the environment, the pricing, the schedule, and even the cancellation policy if you have one. And then they can register directly right through the calendar, and they can even process credit card charges automatically on the website. If there are no prices for the course, there would just simply be a register button available for the students to register themselves, or a button that allows them to register somebody else, like an employee, for this course.